Today we learn how to make a how-to video, and we will show how Hi, I'm Casey Ferris. I make videos on DaVinci Resolve here on YouTube. Make sure to subscribe for more of that. Sorry I said subscribe for more, but you know what I mean. Today we're taking a look at 3 tips for making a how-to video. Make it clear and all of the good things so people can learn. This is something I've done once. Shaboo! Today we're going to be working on a how-to project, how to make Thai iced tea. This is from our YouTube Editor's Master Training, which takes you completely through the workflow of several different kinds of YouTube videos, from editing to color correction to compositing, all kinds of cool stuff. That's our YouTube Editor's Master Training, which is available now at groundcontrol.film. The first tip for a how-to video is to keep it visual. Videos are a visual medium, right? And so it's really nice to have nice visuals. Even though you can get across all the information just with a talking head like this, it's a lot more interesting and actually a lot more clear to have some visuals. In fact, I would say it's better to have nice visuals and then just do a voiceover under them than to worry about an interview and everything if you have to choose. The other part of this is that people learn in different ways, and you're going to have a lot more effective video if you have visuals for the visual learner and the audio for the auditory learner. It's nice if you can make it in a way where somebody can follow along for people who learn more by doing. The next tip is short and clear is best. If you can show somebody how something is done in 2 minutes instead of 5 minutes, I would say that's pretty much always better. Because when somebody's looking for how to do something, they're not really looking for your life story. They just want to know how to do it. So obviously make it entertaining and definitely make it clear so that the viewer knows exactly what to do and they feel empowered, but pretty much keep it as short as possible. The last tip is show the result at the beginning. You want somebody to know whether this video is going to be worth their time at the very beginning. So this is why we have our really nice shot at the very beginning, how to make Thai iced tea. If you want to make something that looks like this, keep watching, right? Especially since an intro generally has, hi, I'm this person, and this is what we're going to do today. If we just started with this handsome man, you might stay because he's handsome, but if you're looking for Thai iced tea, the handsome man thing might just not quite be what you were looking for. So put the end result at the very beginning. You're not doing anybody any favors by making a big reveal at the end. If you're trying to show someone how to do something, show them what they're going to be able to do. Tasty tips. By the way, if you want to learn more about making YouTube videos, doing the editing and such, we have the YouTube Editor's Master Training right there. Check that out. You can go to groundcontrol.film and there are links there. And then you click on video training and then it'll go bloop, bloop, and then you'll learn. That's how to do it. I've always wanted a hamster for a pet.